Something funny, Henderson?
I was just thinking, in Eddie's last campaign, I defeated Vecna's lead acolyte by casting Prismatic Spray. 1d8 turned up a 7. Violet.
Is that supposed to be English, freak?
Violet Prismatic Spray is the deadliest. You know why? It causes blindness. Hey! Get off! You were right. For once, we don't need half the crap in there for our mission. In fact, the only thing we really need is a telemetry tracker. Henderson, don't you touch her. Henderson, I'm dead serious. No talking.